So I've got a indoor hydroponics kit to grow cilantro, and I am going to give it a try. The kit comes with growing medium, looks like vermiculite, cilantro seeds, plant fertilizer, and it's a mason jar, so a mason jar ring, and looks about a quart-sized jar. This is called the net pot, and it has wicking strings that come from the bottom, as you can see. This is where I'm assuming the growth medium and the seeds will go into. The kit also comes with activated carbon, which I'm not really familiar with, and a cocoa disc, which will expand to become the dirt. You don't have to use hot water. I just did because I don't know why. But yeah, so you pour the growth medium into the pot after pulling the wicking string all the way up to about a half an inch from the top of the lid. Add your cocoa disc, expand it with water. Spread it out there. Then you're gonna add your activated carbon. Spread it around. Actually, it looks like the lid goes on first and then the pot sits inside. It's a little warped, so. And now goes in the seeds. Cilantro seeds are bigger, so you tap them down about this depth of their width. So about just below the surface. So then you just stick them in a sunny window. Seeds actually need warmth more than light to germinate, but we'll see how this goes. Cilantro is a cooler loving plant, so I think it'll be okay. But like and subscribe, and I'll show you how it goes.